And your gift is a monetization. You thinking YouTube is a monetization. No, your gift is a monetization because your gift will make room for you in the presence of kings. You share your gift with a king, and the king know it comes from your heart. What you gonna do? The king might give you a piece of the kingdom. Uh-oh. I ain't come here to preach. But share your gift. And the powerful quote is, do what you can with what you have where you are. Do what you can with what you have where you are. That's what Theodore Roosevelt said. Somebody asked him a question, how can they, build the Hoover Dam? How can they build the highways? Because back then they had highways, but the highways really wasn't, coordinated. They had roads, but it really wasn't, coordinated. Because all the highways, like 95 is going south. 95 is going south. Everything that's odd numbers are going south. Everything that's even numbers are going crossway. If you want to go to California from New York, I think there's a Route 20 that'll take you all the way there. I'm not sure if it's Route 20, but there's a road that are even numbers that'll take you cross country. And there are roads that are odd numbers that take you south or north. And you have to understand, you have to do what you can with what you have where you are. At the time where they was at, they wanted to have the roadways coordinated, situated, so it can make sense to somebody who's reading a map. This was way before Siri, way before Alexa. It was way before you had your GPS. We got our phones right now. We can just type in our phones where you want to go and it tell us, make a left, make a right. No, before they had to read paper maps, papers. Oh, I want to go here, I want to go there. Those big giant maps. I'm a person of a certain age. You read those big giant maps about this, you can't even see my hand, big as a table. And you have to look down real close with a magnifying glass sometimes. I want to go here. I got to take this route 15, and I got to go to Route 22, and then I got to go to Route 75 and then cut across. They want to make everything clear. They want to make everything succinct. They want to make everything easy. So they had to do what they can with what they have where they was at. And that's saying the same thing with you. They made sure that they want to make it right. They want to make it make sense to somebody who's reading a map, somebody who's traveling. If they know, if they want to go cross country, it's even numbers. Route 20, Route 40, Route 60, Route 66. Route 66 would take you all the way to California. Route 66 starts, I think it's in West Virginia or somewhere in Virginia. Route 66. I used to drive a bus on Route 66 from New York to Fayetteville, West Virginia. Not Fayetteville, North Carolina, Fayetteville, West Virginia. We used to cut through DC and then go on Route 66 and go cross. They had some mountains up in there. The first time I took those mountains, man, I was scared. But it was Route 66 to take you cross country. 95 would take you down south. But what does it have to do with you trying to make a YouTube channel? They used what they had with what they already have where they was at. Where are you at in this journey creating your YouTube channel? You saying, "Oh, I don't have a camera, but you have a phone." You say, "Oh well, I don't have a microphone." Well, you got a microphone on your phone. I created all these 135 videos. Yeah, I created all 135 videos off of my phone, iPhone X, which is iPhone 10. What we up to now? iPhone 17, iPhone 18, iPhone 16. I created these videos. You see how my videos are. Some of them are with the earpod. Some of them are just straight from the phone. Do what you can with what you have where you at. Where you at right now in this journey? Type in the comments. Let me know where you at. You just starting? Are you in it? Are you struggling? Type in the comment section. Because you got to do what you can with what you have where you at. You might just be in the beginning. What do you have now? You got your phone. If you got your phone, use your phone. You don't have an iPhone. They got an Android. I don't know. I don't know what you're going to do with Android, but use what you have where you at. You need to do more videos. Use your phone. It took me a long time. I was Mr. Procrastinator. I said, "Oh, I got to get my background right. Oh man, I got to get a $2,000 phone. I got to get a $500 microphone." Had this phone, I had this microphone right here. Had this microphone since let me see when we moved here. Yeah, I had this microphone since 2000, I'd say 13, 14. This microphone is almost 10 years old. My phone is what? Okay, 19. My phone is almost 6 years old. No, it's 5 years old almost. Do what you can with what you have where you at. Yeah, I could have bought the $2,000 camera, but that still wouldn't have made me shoot the videos because I was procrastinating. I have to have everything set up right. Everything has to be perfect before I start. But I had everything inside of me. The message. The message was already inside of me, but I was looking on everything on the outside, saying I need something on the outside before I could give what's on the inside out. That's why you got to do what you can with what you have. You have that message. Since you have that gift which is your message, what you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with that message? Type in the comment section. Let me know what you're gonna do with your message. You just gonna sit there and wait, procrastinate, and say it has to be a perfect time before you release the message? You got to have the perfect phone, the perfect camera, the perfect microphone before you release it? You got to step out of your comfort zone and be uncomfortable or be comfortable being uncomfortable. Step out of your comfort zone and get comfortable with being uncomfortable because you're going to do what you can with what you have where you at. It doesn't matter where you at. There's some people making millions of dollars off of their phone. Some people making hundreds of thousands of dollars off their phone. Some people making tens of thousands of dollars off their phone. Some people making thousands of dollars off their phone. But you still sitting back saying, "Oh man, I have to just wait. I just gotta wait to be in the perfect setting in the perfect time, and I gotta get that feeling before I even start on YouTube." Yeah, I got a YouTube channel, but I don't have no videos. I got a YouTube channel, but I don't have nothing on the channel. I don't even have a thumbnail. I don't even have a picture of myself saying this is my channel. I don't even have a banner. Do what you can with what you have where you at. That's what I want you to do. Type in the comments. What you going what you gonna do now with what you have? What you gonna do now? Where you at? I want you to think about that. Because we all got goals and dreams. It just so happened one of the goals and dreams is I want a YouTube channel. I want to get monetized. Oh, I want this and I want that. I want to get monetized. You're focusing on being monetized. Why aren't you focusing on giving your gift out? And your gift is a monetization. You thinking YouTube is a monetization. No, your gift is a monetization because your gift will make room for you in the presence of kings. You share your gift with a king, and the king know it comes from your heart. What you gonna do? The king might give you a piece of the kingdom. Uh-oh. I ain't come here to preach. But share your gift. And the easiest way to share your gift, do what you can with what you have where you at. Just start. You just got to start. And that's just a piece of the motivational moment that we having tonight.